Welcome back. We have two special guests in studio today, KJ Ashley and Dion Campbell, or should I say Coach Campbell, joining us this morning, here to talk about a really fun event that hopefully will become an annual event this Sunday. First of all, tell us what we have going on.
Well, it's called the the first annual summertime kickoff for the children of Pittsburgh, Kansas. And we're going to have bouncy houses, like 5 bouncy houses, and 3 of them have swimming pools. We're going to have hot dogs, hamburgers, and chicken, chips for the kids to eat free of charge. And we're going to also we want to do face painting, but we're trying to get a few more volunteers to help us out with that.
Okay.
And
I mean, this is a huge endeavor.
Oh, yeah.
You've got volunteers helping you out.
Yes.
Why did you guys decide to host this event this year?
Well, we decided to do something different. I remember growing up as a kid, we used to have block parties, different things like that. I thought it'd be good for us to start something, give something back to the community, which we both live in. We have kids here, so it'll be something great for them and for everyone.
Yeah.
It should be very interesting.
So everything's going to kick off on Sunday.
Yes.
What time does it start and where is it at?
We're going to do noon, and then it'll be at Schlanger Park on East 6th Street here in Pittsburgh, Kansas.
At Schlanger Park. Okay. Yeah, and you were talking about big bounce houses that you have coming.
Yes, 3 of them have swimming pools, and 2 of them are just big bouncy houses that the kids can play on. Like my friend Willie Turner Woods, I had a birthday party for my 3-year-old last year, and he brought up the bouncy houses, and it was like 50 kids in the community that came, and I barbecued for them, and it was a big success. So I'm thinking this will be even bigger.
And you guys have a lot of people that are donating things so far.
Yes.
What are you still looking for to help out for Sunday?
Well, we're looking for more people to come out. Like he said, face painting, someone that can do that for us. Just anything that the kids can have fun with. We have snow cone machine, I believe, so far.
Jolly Trolleys, the Jolly Trolley will be there.
The Jolly Trolley?
Yes.
All right.
So we're just looking for more events for the kids to have fun with. We're trying to set up a kickball, basketball courts there, so we already have some set up for basketball, a little 3-on-3.
I know the Pittsburgh Splash Pad just recently
Yes,
opened, so
yes.
that'll be going. So definitely with the bouncy houses that have pools, you want the kids to come with
Come and
swimsuits.
swim. Yes, yes.
Bring a
of course.
towel.
Bring towels. Yes.
And just enjoy yourself.
Just
Hopefully it turns to something big and we can continue to do this.
All right. Do you need people to come and help cook or anything like that?
We've got the cooking, so we'll probably just like have people help serve the kids and stuff like that. So, but yeah, me and Dion gonna cook, and we got like a couple more other friends, close personal friends, that's gonna help us come out and cook, to volunteer with us.
Yeah, we'd rather them just come out and enjoy themselves, have a good time.
How long do you expect the event to last on Sunday?
Till about 7:30.
Oh, so all day.
It's
an
an
all-day
all-day event, yeah.
So they can go home, come back. It's free of charge. Once again, free of charge. We just want you to have fun.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm hopefully it will be a great. Where can people go to find more information about it?
We're
Or is there a
passing
place to-
we're passing out flyers, but we also been posting it on Facebook. And we will continue to advertise it on Facebook to get the word out. And it's just not for Pittsburgh kids; it's for the area kids, for the 4 states. I mean, Joplin, Carthage, Fort Scott. We want just kids to have fun.
Okay.
Basically.
All right. So, and again, and you can find out more. We'll have this interview posted on our website, so you can always go back and refer to that at KOAMnewsnow.com. And again, at noon on Sunday, that's the 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
At Schlanger Park in Pittsburgh. That's where the first annual
Summer kickoff.
summer kickoff for kids is going to
That's
be
right.
hosted.
Yes.
All right.
We're very
All right.
excited about this.
Thank you guys for coming in, and hope we have a wonderful turnout this Sunday.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right. We'll be right back.